I thought I would use this second video as an opportunity to share a little bit about me and my perspective, and then let you meet some of the crew. I'm Tina. If this is your first time here, this is only my second video, but I'm Tina. I'm a nutritionist, and I'm a natural food chef. I live on a little farm with a bunch of animals and my husband. I'm a mom. My daughter is 25 and lives about 20 minutes away. How did I end up here? I come from a family with many public servants, so I thought, well, maybe nursing is where I should be. I started working as a nursing assistant in a hospital and pretty much immediately knew that I wanted to help people stay well instead of helping them after they got sick. At the time I started researching, Bastyr University was one of only 2 universities in the country to offer a whole foods approach to nutrition, and it just happened to be local to me. So I decided to apply and I was accepted in 2009, and I graduated with a bachelor's degree in 2011. So Bastyr gave me a good foundation on holistic whole foods nutrition, but I really think that I think that I was drawn to natural medicine because my mom was very interested in it. Growing up, she got breast cancer when she was, I think she was 34 or 35. And she went through a bunch of radiation, and after she went through that whole process of cancer and surviving cancer, she got really interested in more natural ways of approaching health. And she sort of got that from my great-grandparents, who were homesteaders in Gig Harbor. And so we were exposed to, you know, growing food and fishing and wild food foraging and farming oysters and utilizing seaweed and the compost. They were composting, and that's the first time I had ever seen it, and that was in the 70s. They weren't hippies. They were, both of them had come from England, and they were just different. And then I just got drawn to, you know, working in restaurants. I got drawn to local seasonal food. And then I read the book Animal Vegetable Miracle before I went to Bastyr, like right before I went to Bastyr, and that was so inspiring, and Michael Pollan's work. So I think in more recent years, the thing that compels me to do what I do is losing my parents at a pretty, what I feel is a young age. I lost my dad when he was 63. from complications of a surgery to remove a brain tumor. And I lost my mom to a heart attack at 73. I really feel like I should have had my parents around a lot longer, and I want to be around for my daughter as long as I can. I feel like the knowledge that I have now could have helped them if they would have listened to me. I don't know if they would have, you know how families are sometimes, but I feel that Western medicine has a place, but I feel like there are so much that we can do, and we have just been conditioned to believe that the power of our health doesn't lie in our own hands. I just want to say wellness is multifaceted. It's not just about food. It's not just about movement. It encompasses so much more than that. I think two other really big factors in wellness is a purpose in life, and another one is a connection to community. And I think the community aspect of wellness is really truly missing from our healthcare system. I guess I just wanted to have a takeaway. Like, what is the takeaway from listening to me talk? Maybe today the takeaway is just, you know, getting to see a really cute baby goat. So this is my husband, Justin. Justin, tell us where you're from.
Wow, okay. From a town called Circleville, Ohio. A few miles south of Columbus, half an hour or so. Yeah, born and raised.
Okay. How did you meet your wife?
Restaurants. Yeah. Back of the house, she's front of the house. Both water signs, it worked out.
Who's your friend?
This is Rico. Everyone knows Rico. The greatest dog that was ever created. Does every command. Loyal. Ferocious.
Oh! This is River. River is almost 2 months old. He was born on July 2nd. And he's our newest little sweet nugget on the farm. This is Ricky Jesse. He was supposed to be a barn cat, and now he is a house cat slash wild man. So he does do the work of a barn cat while sleeping most of the day in the house. All right, everyone, this is Solo. Solo, naughty. He's not gonna hurt you. He's not gonna hurt you. Solo was my grandparents' dog, and my grandma died in 2009, and then my grandpa died in 2010. And when he died, my mom took her. And then when my mom died, she came to us. I guess I need something to say at the end of every video, like thanks for watching, or see you next time, or I got nothing. Hands of uh-oh, are you okay? It was one of only, I don't know if this is gonna work out, little guy. What is all over your head? Good Lord. Oh my gosh. You can sit in my lap if you're just being a good boy.